So good day, Ma'am MJ. So I am BJ Adriano Seman, B73. So this is my presentation in your final activity, which is the lesson 20 in Arduino. Driving 7-segment display by 74HC595. So first things first, let's proceed to the code. So we have here the code, no? So we have here the cons int latch pin is equals to 12. So in this case is the pin is connected to ST underscore CP latch pin sa in 774HC95, and also we have here the cons in clock pin is equals to 8. Then the pin is connected to clock pin in 74HC595, and then also the cons in data pin is equals to 11. Same thing with clock pin and latch pin is connected to DS, to data input, in 74HC95. So let's proceed to the int date array 16, then is equals to 252 96 218 242. So in this case, it is a array which is a values for 7 segment display like 0-9 and A to F. Then each number is nag-correspond sa binary pattern para mo-light ang para mo-light siya and sakto ang iyang segment. So we have here the void setup. So the void setup is pin mode, latch pin output, then pin mode lock pin output, then pin mode data pin output. So we set the pins as an output to create or magpadala tawag signal CM mismo. And then next we have here also the void loop. So for int num is equals to 0, num is less than 16, num plus plus. So for this loop is to nagloop siya is gikan 0 hangtod sa 15. So total values of array is 16. So we have here the digital write latch pin low. So through this we set the latch pin low para dili siya ang display sa data while nag-send pa. Then also pod murag gihold po niya ang moment para dili makita ang changes niya. So shift out data pin, clock pin, MSB first, data array num. So in this case is to create data gikan sa array padulong sa shift register, and then MSB first is equals to pinaka left nga bit ang una i-send. So we have here also the digital write latch pin high. So human man sa ng tanang data, then i-set ang latch pin para i-save o i-display na sa output sa 7 segment. So we have here also the delay 1000. So mag-wait for 1 second before ma-display ang next number or letter. So that's all. Then let's proceed to the output. So this is my output of in Arduino. So as you can see that it was display a number in 74HC595, not only a numbers but also a letters as well. So yeah, that's all, and thank you.